Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make poha. Let's get started. Take some flattened rice or poha. I prefer medium thick poha. 50 grams fried peanuts. Some chopped fresh coriander leaves. 2 to 3 tablespoons lime juice. 2 to 3 green chili chopped and 7 to 8 curry leaves. 1 large onion chopped. Half a tablespoon mustard seed, 2 tablespoon vegetable oil or any cooking oil, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, salt as per taste, 1 boiled potato large chopped. Now we are gonna wash poha, add some water and leave it for some time. Wash it properly. If you want, you can use a strainer as well. Add oil in a pan and let it heat for some time. Then add some cumin seeds. Add mustard seeds. Add curry patta. Now add green chili and chopped onion and fry it for some time. Once onion turns golden brown, add boiled potato. Add turmeric powder, salt as per taste. After 2-3 minutes of cooking, add some peanuts. Add washed poha. Mix it gently. Add lime juice. Add fresh coriander leaves. Mix it well and cook it for a minute on low flame. Now we are gonna cover this up and cook for another 1 minute to get all lime and coriander flavors. And it's ready. You may serve it as it is, or you can garnish it with some aloo bhujia or sev. You can also add some lime slices or green chili slices.